welcome back. So, the flying candy cane. Well, this is still the beginning of the video. So, there's a flying candy cane. It's not really a flasher because it really flies. Hope you caught that. Okay, and then we have this Pokeball. Dun dun dun, even open. Don't worry, it doesn't have a latch. Too bad. Okay, now this is in Jeremy Schaefer's Zoom session. 500 something subscribers. And then he taught those kids the singing frogs. La 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 la. More like croak, croak, croak. They don't really say la la, they say croak. I don't really know what they really sound like, but people think they say croak. So, exactly. Okay. La, no, croak. I keep saying la la. Okay, bye-bye.